All the MPs. So
we say any MP. Our better disrespect Supreme Court order. The laws are clear. Article 2:5. We deal with that person. I know Yami. And only I promise you, say, I constitution I promise you on that. Say any minority leader be a certificate to Legon. Or say, Rebecca Court for lawyer new wine, and a deal law school. A year unanimous, also I'll go back to court. Once in the law books, I had tax. Since 2002, I'm buy a 204 copper or me in the book mobile. It's in the Yabri for no can drum for law. Drum for law, you been a Haruna Iddrisu dinam. Drum for tis a drum for my kind of no can be. Bisan side. Bisana may be son said. Janam say I may have fair to him. That is why I may be son question say. Lawyer new one yet say judgment to be a unanimous one. 7-0. Okwasa may come back for review. Not just see a question war. As you see a question will be a yatiti war.
Chachun to an among beside unanimous decision.
That is why I say unanimous decision. Yes, say, Babi Adruno. Omokachira and say, because Obia training in piano. And yes, sir. You can go for and to Obia who say, who need to tear pound read it. They just look at you and say, oh, you don't read. Oh, how you are wasting your time. That is the law.
Kwame, the desperation is that the word to use.
And I'm saying desperation. I'm telling you, sir.
Is there that desperation to make sure?
Let's forget about the passage.
No, I know, sir.
Let's
okay, sorry,
let's forget about the passage. Near law na yenina ye adwuma no. In any state be emranya adwuma no. Emranya adwuma. Emane nyere enye papa. Nti se momo klemu se constitution ye mo de ade the very constitution ya mo klemu no say do the right thing. O say an already am favor no de menye anameboa. Nti ka hwan na enkontia no. Me de assembly akokot.
Well, as Elvis say, this guys, you are spoiling our constitution and our mother Ghana. We don't like this thing, no. Okay, Mati. And we say, wait, Abronye, why are you, Pacho? I won't read that one. Napari Kofi, that word you can't use, so be.
You saw me, you shouldn't a chance.
I said barking like a dog.
Oh, maybe you shouldn't a chance.
And we say. Okay, Obi so say why are you writing like a dog? Okay, Obi Amana. What's DC members of parliament are becoming notorious in the house. We free sway Houston ho as to say
Obi yada tio. Obi dwana num kire ne gas ya. No hu microphone. No hu say central for kan hu ahia. Haruna Iddrisu Korea. I'm telling you.
Haruna nani get be any ho.
Okay, Haruna Iddrisu
view on
the first day of asin of case ya. Woman initiative process no. As a lawyer from Ghana School of Law, etimi gina Parliament House ka say a parliamentary petition Qur'an. Enya High Court ni e kan. Adia chinya no no ani colleague NDC for mo ye lawyer ka kire ne say asem no kan dey wo ma Haruna Iddrisu issue statement official statement ka say sorry because first year law student at the faculty I can article 94 na nim say any parliamentary elections be a ban petition High Court ne kan okwo gufu we adia chinya no this statement by baka so sorry na afedi who say a parliamentary petition in election a year a parliamentarians one High Court neka what you say until woman be because I'm telling you that for all you know Haruna Iddrisu 1992 constitution open your one page 1 na article 2 na obia mie wo da fa constitution bie obi article 2 na no article 2 can we article 4 clause 4 and 5 and never catch us Supreme Court judgment di agora wo come and fear do without a fine If you do not, you cannot stand for any public elections for 10 years.
And Kwame, you are telling me, say, some members of parliament when this in that day. Woman and ye. About 10 years and declare their seats.
I must say, possible.
It's not possible.
Are you? When I say
no, it's not possible.
See, Obiasa, nature so percent to one and see a man for Kwafuno.
No.
That I don't make catch no. Say MPP ya ready who say ya share who send this 4% to Kwasi. Ya boy who say percent to Kwafuno. And I'm telling you, 7 months to Kwafuno. And I promise you on that. Say, woman who modity chroma, and I'm being ya. Oh, and parliamentary procedure, and I catch it almost say parliamentary procedure, and a quarter above your 12 weeks. Say quarter to 1. The procedure, no, they quite.
Quarter to 1,
parliamentary orders is say quarter to 1 to the quite. Procedure now, what they prevent you be from say. Momo procedure, naturally say. You cannot preside and at the same time have a
yes. That be practicing.
Please. And I'll say, one more practice now. Yes, standing orders, you know. And na odi gina so no ya bubu na na free ho no so party who compare no MP and a betima make reference to order 109 BM because NTC is dead. And you know all parliamentary procedure and say before the Supreme Court judgment, you know. Na eno so na mugina ade kasem yabo ho nyina na tuogu ayam ho nyina 102 is affected. Nani nyina bubu ama ho nyina na ya affected. Nti se dia na ade ko kan wasem.
Nti Kwame se edu ho. Na the otiagwa mu se speaker sa abre.
Omu nyina ekoto aba, omu nyina take part. Since then
Dabi oja ho so ba betu bia who then sits.
Let me ask you one thing. Let me ask you just a simple thing. Apart from the issue of E11, Babin too quite all parliamentary decisions or more either former MP on a boasiama or Joe a do so more take a decision. Or more take part of the decision. Am I record say or take part as a deputy speaker? Why say about E11 assembly almost end the Montiasi?
Circumstance, and a speaker does not partake in those.
The Constitution says the Constitution says a better year to a back our parliament here. The speaker does not have original vote and only the speaker, the main speaker. What you say? Only no, what's it? The speaker when you're presiding, when you're
but no acting speaker.
No, hear me. Me kase constitution is say.
Yeah, no, Mr. Speaker.
Mo kan yema mienu bom. Eba sa tiefo ntiase. Your constitution is say.
Person presiding. One not to say. Quorum of parliament apart from person presiding.
Oh, see. And also say.
Shall be one.
Oh, no. Read further. Me say Article 94. Me say a speaker of parliament has no original vote. A speaker of parliament. And only a baby assembly can know. One can say the speaker of parliament. One can the speaker of parliament assemble baby. And see, you can't speak assembly. You can't want some near Chilemuyi. And until parliament here to a bar, speaker to be nominated deputy to. Yeah, to a bar, the deputy to. Deputy never preside in that a communal acting position.
Speaker to Kayo. Because the president
the law is
vice president sitting acting, but vice president take decisions. President in if there's anything at all.
Until preside, if you are acting, you can't take decisions.
As the president, you become the speaker.
I'm getting certain things clear. I'm happy. Says Supreme Court. Because if the president is not there,
Acting.
the vice acts,
Act.
he cannot take certain major
Oti
decisions.
mi nya reshuffle. Nya reshuffle ne saa de.
And stuff like that.
Enti no, at that particular time no, you see, when you are to no so aba, nti on de okọ, watu kwan. Obi na ebe ate ni deputy, and ebe ate for a certain period. And yet 4 years, and you are 2 by a speaker, a 4 years mandate, and a deputy no wanted main speaker anywhere. Me kwatanamwa, me ate as a speaker. Until me bibi me yano. So okata me a speaker dia. Not just say ya 2 but supervisor.
Because
Speaker, Emra say on this confidence say me. What the name?
And no parliament tie obutu in the sense
who said
as acting speaker when the speaker substantive speaker you know you understand it doesn't work that way no
I'm telling you say babin buy an officer unconstitutional and if I say I didn't your unquite that is why the Supreme Court said they say Aduma Bia Joe was the first motion almost so more boy no. De buy and almost say motion now or more table yeno. Our parliament G2 mono, papa. Because at that time no near all acting so to me performing the functions as an acting speaker. See we are finito.
And to Kwame finito, say 11 no Kwamwebie.
And yet me them say Marana na ba me ya me do. Marano
and I'm person.
Oh, Kofi.
Kwame. Okay, Kwame. Now we'll share enforcement of the Constitution, no part B, where it says any person or group of persons to whom an order or direction is addressed under Clause 2 of this article by the Supreme Court shall duly obey and carry out the terms